Hey there, it's great to have you here with us. Today, we're going to be talking about something really important, building your net worth. It might sound like a dry topic, but I promise you, it's anything but. Let's start with a little story. When I was in my early 20s, I had a job that paid pretty well. I was making more money than most of my friends, and I felt pretty good about it. So what did I do? I spent it all. I bought clothes, went out to eat all the time, and took so many vacations. And you know what? It was fun, for a while. But then I started to realize something. All of that spending wasn't making me happy. Sure, it felt good at the moment, but when the bills came due, I felt stressed and anxious. And when I thought about my future, I started to worry. What if I lost my job? What if I got sick and couldn't work? What would happen then? That's when I started to educate myself about personal finance, and specifically, about building my net worth. And I'm happy to say that today, I feel much more secure and confident about my financial future. So, what is net worth, exactly? Put simply, it's the value of everything you own, your assets, minus the value of everything you owe, your debts. So, if you own a car worth $10,000 and you owe $5,000 on a loan for that car, your net worth is $5,000. Now, you might be thinking, but I don't own anything. How can I build my net worth? Well, the good news is that there are lots of ways to increase your net worth, even if you don't have a lot of assets right now. Here are a few tips to get you started. 1. Start by tracking your spending. This might sound boring, but trust me, it's important. You can use a spreadsheet or an app like Mint to keep track of where your money is going. Once you know where your money is going, you can start to make changes and find places to save. 2. Create a budget. Again, I know this sounds boring, but it's crucial. A budget helps you make sure you're not spending more than you're earning, and it can also help you identify areas where you can cut back. 3. Start saving and investing. Once you have paid off your debt and have a budget in place, start saving and investing. You can start by setting up an emergency fund, which should be at least 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. Then, consider investing in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other assets that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. 4. Pay off your high-interest debt. This might include credit card debt or a car loan. Focus on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first, while still making the minimum payments on your other debts. 5. Invest in your future. This might mean contributing to a 401k or IRA, or investing in stocks or real estate. Or setting some money aside in your retirement fund. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. 6. Increase your income. Another way to increase your net worth is to increase your income. This can be done by getting a higher paying job, starting a side hustle, or investing in yourself through education or training. Be patient. Building your net worth takes time and patience. It's not something that can be achieved overnight. It requires discipline, perseverance, and a long-term mindset. I know this can all feel overwhelming, but just remember, small changes can add up to big results over time. And if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them in the comments below. We're here to help. Now let's touch on some common concerns and questions some people will have. What if I don't have a lot of money to invest? Don't worry, you don't need a lot of money to start investing. You can start small and gradually increase your investment as you save more money. What if I have a lot of debt and don't know where to start? Start by paying off high-interest debt first, such as credit card debt or payday loans. Then, consider consolidating your debt or seeking professional help from a financial advisor or credit counselor. What if I don't know anything about investing? That's okay. You don't need to be an expert to start investing. There are many resources available online and through financial advisors that can help you get started. We have a couple of videos that teach you what investing is about and how to get started. So, that's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, please give it a like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.